Good morning mga kadamplings! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is about my greetings for my sister in heart and my VOF, the best of friend here in Hong Kong, which is Sonia HK Amiga. I wish that you are and all your dreams will come true. Ayan. Share ko lang din, parang first meeting natin is nakita mo or nalaman mo na nagbablog ako. So, yan, parang nasabi mo sa akin na gusto mo rin mag-vlog. So, parang nag-start na yan ng parang ginaid na kita kung paano magkaroon ng YouTube channel. Ayan, so inaral mo talaga or inaral natin. So, yan. I'm happy for you na ngayon. Ito na yung sa successful channel. And lahat ng gusto mong gawin sa channel mo ay nagawa mo na. Nagagawa mo na. So, yan. I'm happy talaga sa iyo. Sis Sonia HK Amiga. Yan. So, andito lang ako. And always support and always love you. And so it's me, Arashel Imee TV, and go lang sa mga gusto mong gawin. Ayan. So alam ko ang forte mo ay LS at syempre yung pagkanta mo. So yan. So ngayong araw na to ay tutula ako kasi kakanta ko lang na sana tama yung pinili kong song kasi hindi ako pwede magtanong sa'yo or hindi ako pwede magpatanong sa'yo kasi alam mo na malalaman mo yan. So, hinintay ko talaga na ikaw yung mismo magsabi or magbuka ng paborito mong songs. So, parang last Sunday or day of natin, so parang na-open mo siya or nabuka mo yung ordinary song. Kaya lang, hindi ko narinig sa'yo kung sino singer. So, sana tama yung pili kong kanta. Okay? You should listen. You should all watch this. Happy birthday, Sis Sonia HK Amiga. Just an ordinary song to a special girl like you, from a simple me who's so in love with you. I may not have much to show, no diamonds that glow, no limits in to take you where you go. But if you ever find yourself tried all the games you play, when the world seems so unfair, you can count on me to stay. Just take some time to land on you to this ordinary song. Just an ordinary song to a special girl like you, from a simple me who's so in love with you. I don't even have the looks to make your glance your way. The clothes I wear may just seem so absurd, but deep inside with me is you. You give life to what I do. All those years may see you through, so I've been waiting here for you. If you have time, please lend an ear to this ordinary song. just an ordinary song. Special girl like you, from a simple me who's so in love with you. Sonia HK Amiga, I hope you like it. Happy birthday. Okay, bye.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.